Hey guys, what's up? Just a quick video right here. Figured I'd do some content because I've been pretty slack on it lately. But gonna change out this fitting on my compressor real quick. Yeah, Jesus, that's been on for like 30 years. Slight remnants of Teflon tape, if any. Yeah, that came off with nothing. So now we're gonna throw some Teflon tape on there. Clean it up real quick. There's Teflon on there. Alright, I like to ream it in there a little bit. Make sure this one's clean. Threads look nice. Take it, hand thread it on as tight as you can. 2 9/16. Take your 3/4 and tighten it down. Yeah, I hear you. My daughter said she wanted to come in too. What you doing? Hi. Boom. There we go. Compressor's fixed. Brand new valve on there. A good seal. That was the problem with this old one. This O-ring seal had busted. Just worn down eventually. I mean, this piece is 30 years old. It's seen its better days. It's spent most of its life in a dealership. So yeah, that's actually where I got this compressor from. I got it from a uncle of mine that worked at a dealership, and he got this whenever he left. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe. If there's any questions you have, let me know. This is On a Budget Garage. See you next time.